G'day folks, today's video is going to be quick and simple, and basically what we're going to be doing is comparing the size of the Mavic Air 2 against some of the other DJI drones that are currently available. I've been asked several times in some of my other Mavic Air 2 videos to do a more detailed size comparison. So we're going to be comparing it to the Mavic 2 Pro, the Mavic Mini, and of course the original Mavic Air. We'll also do some size comparisons of the different remotes. So let's just jump right in and take a closer look. I'm just going to set those other drones aside there while we do a comparison of the original Mavic Air to the Mavic Air 2. And I'll do it from a couple different angles so you can kind of get a good feel. Here is a top-down view. You can see that the Mavic Air 2 is slightly bigger. When it comes to the overall length, maybe about a 1/4 inch. Now when we turn it over to its side, you can see here it's not quite double the thickness, but you can see it is quite a bit thicker. We'll do a top-down view so you can get a good view of it. Let's just do a quick weight comparison. So the new Mavic Air 2 comes in at 573 grams, 574. That's according to my scale here. So 574 for the Mavic Air 2, and the original is 434. So there's a little bit of a weight gain there. So let's swap out. We'll take a look at the Mini next. So here you can see when we compare it to the Mavic Mini, there is a fair amount of difference. Just by eyeballing, I would say it's about a good 2.5 inches longer. We'll flip it over onto its side here. You can see again quite a big difference. So definitely if you are in the market for a very small, easy to pack drone, something you can stick in a pocket even, definitely the Mavic Mini is a better choice. But really when it comes down to it, all DJI drones, because they're foldable, travel really well. So we already know that the Mavic Mini weighs 249 grams, and of course the Mavic Air, as we just weighed, is 574. So it's a little more than double the weight. So now let's do a size comparison to the Mavic 2 Pro. You can see here, again, the Mavic 2 Pro is about a good 2 to 2.5 inches longer. We'll flip it over onto its side. When it comes to the thickness of the drone, there's only about maybe 1/2 inch difference, maybe a slight bit more, but not too much really. But overall you can see it is quite a bit smaller and quite a bit lighter. Let's go ahead and let's weigh the Mavic 2 Pro. So 905 grams. So that's what, a little over 350 grams heavier. But again, the Mavic 2 Pro is still quite packable and easy to travel with. Any drone that folds up, you're going to be able to travel with no problem. Now, if you're a person who does a lot of backpacking, those extra grams actually add up. Most backpackers like to have a very low base weight. So definitely when it comes to a drone like the Mavic Mini or even the Mavic Air 2, those would probably be better choices just because they are significantly lighter. So let's take a look at some of the controller options. This will help you gauge the size difference between each one. Now I'm only showing you the one from the original Mavic Air. The Mavic Mini and the Mavic 2 Pro has a very similar remote for both shape and size, so we're just going to use this one for reference. You can see here that the remote for the Mavic Air 2 is a little bit bigger. It's not by much. I know some people are really concerned about it, but really it's not going to take up any more room in a camera bag, not even an inch longer. Thickness is about the same. Width is about the same. Once you get it in your hand, you're going to realize it's really not that much bigger, and it's not going to be much more inconvenient to pack along. And you can see here, compared against the smart controller, there's a significant weight difference between the two, and the smart controller is quite a bit bigger. About the same thickness, however. So let's go ahead and weigh the different controllers so we can kind of get a rough idea of what they are. I don't know if you can see the screen there or not on film, but I'll read the numbers out so you know what they are. So the original controller for the Mavic Air, 275 grams. We got the new Mavic Air 2 controller, 387 grams, and the smart controller, 719 grams. So there's a fairly significant weight difference between all the controllers. And again, if you're a backpacker, that's something that could be very important. Again, if you're trying to keep your weight down to a bare minimum, the kind of controller that you'll be using with the drone could be very important when making a decision what type of drone to get. Well, folks, that's basically it for my video. Hopefully you found this video useful and got some value out of it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.